ACE inhibitor contraindicated bilateral renal artery stenosis. Non-ST elevated MI contraindicated thrombolysis. CHF with left ventricular hypertrophy drug of choice, ACE inhibitor. ST elevated MI, PCI better than thrombolysis for reperfusion. Verapamil adenosine drug of choice, PSVT, SVT. Lidocaine volume distribution increased loading dose, drug of choice in digitalis or MI-induced tachyarrhythmia. Amiodarone antiarrhythmic, longest acting. Quinidine increased dose, ventricular tachycardia, QT prolonged. Procainamide drug of choice, WPW syndrome. Sawtooth pattern in lead 2-3, atrial flutter, AVF, COPD. Drug of choice, amiodarone. Classical triad of RCC, hematuria, flank pain, palpable flank mass, hand joining sign, flower vase sign, horseshoe kidney, utrosil, adder head, cobra head, spring onion appearance on IVP, acute pyelonephritis, honeycomb pyelitis, TB bladder, Gough hole ureter, intussusception, claw appearance on barium enema, teardrop bladder, perivesical hemorrhage with rupture, urinary bladder calcification radiologically resembling fetal head in pelvis, schistosomiasis, rhabdomyosarcoma, commonest tumor of urinary bladder in child, bladder injury, X-ray abdomen showing pelvic fracture, ground glass appearance, bladder cancer commonest, transitional urothelial cell carcinoma 90%, teardrop cell dacrocyte, myelofibrosis, terminal deoxynucleotidal transferase TTT, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, thenar eminence atrophy, carpal tunnel syndrome, chronic myelogenous leukemia, T922, mantle cell lymphoma, T11 protein, mucosa associated lymphoid tissue lymphoma, MALT, T1118, Ewing sarcoma, T1122, X-ray sign of pneumoperitoneum, football sign, Ringler sign, intra-abdominal abscess following laparotomy site, pelvic, sharp pain while abdominal surgery, parietal peritoneum, pyrexia for 10 days plus periumbilical pain spreading to whole abdomen, typhoid enteric perforation plus peritonitis, mesenteric cyst treatment, enucleation, obturator sign, pain on internal rotation of hip, Dunphy sign, any movement including cuffing may cause pain, Rovsing's sign, pain in right lower quadrant during palpation on left lower quadrant, Tenhorn's sign, pain caused by gentle traction on right spermatic cord indicating appendicitis. Most common tumor of appendix, mucinous adenocarcinoma, cola colored urine, post streptococcal glomerulonephritis, cough, coryza, conjunctivitis, measles, CTG trinucleotide repeat, myotonic dystrophy, erythema chronica migrans, Lyme disease, esophageal rupture, Bohr-Haave syndrome, CA19-9, pancreatic cancer, black urine, alkaptonuria, brown tumor, osteitis fibrosa cystica, Bruton's tyrosine kinase deficiency, X-linked A-gamma globulinemia, CAG trinucleotide repeat, Huntington's disease, gamma, tertiary syphilis, Butcher's node, osteoarthritis, Samoa bodies, papillary thyroid carcinoma, endometrial ovarian serous carcinoma, meningiomas, mesothelioma. Howell-Jolly bodies, low spleen function. Burton's line, lead poisoning. Loop diuretic first drug of choice, pulmonary edema. Octreotide drug of choice, bleeding esophageal varices. Vasopressin increased GI contraction used postoperative ileus. Desmopressin drug of choice, central diabetes insipidus, nocturnal aneurysm in children. Vasopressin antagonist, tolvaptan, euvolemic hyponatremia, SIADH. Massive cirrhotic ascites, spinal electron. Hexagonal cystine stone treatment, acetazolamide by alkalizing urine. Envelope shaped calcium oxide stone, calcium absorbing chlorothiazide. Loss of gray white matter differentiation suggests cerebral edema, mannitol. Amiloride inhibiting lithium absorption, lithium induced diabetes insipidus. Signet ring cells, diffuse gastric carcinoma, waxy cast, end stage renal disease, intraparenchymal hemorrhage in basal ganglia, internal capsule and systemic hypertension. Basal ganglia and internal capsule, systemic hypertension. Red blood cell cast, acute glomerulonephritis, malignant hypertension. Smudge cells, CLL, cystic hygroma, Turner syndrome, crescendo murmur, aortic stenosis, recurrent epistaxis, Osler-Weber-Rendu syndrome, onion skin appearance of bone, Ewing sarcoma, imatinib, CML treatment, basophilic stripping, lead poisoning, burst cells or echinocyte, pyruvate kinase deficiency, cowrie bodies, herpes virus, currant jelly, Klebsiella pneumonia, bite cell tegmocyte, GCSP deficiency, elevated 5-HIAA, Krasner syndrome, 22q11.2 chromosomal ablation, Dijot syndrome, alpha fetoprotein, hepatocellular carcinoma, acute angle branching hyphae, aspergillus, EDA deficiency, SCID, ash leaf spot, tuberous sclerosis, apple core lesions, colorectal carcinoma, colorectal cancer, antimicrosomal antibody, Hashimoto thyroiditis, anti-dsDNA antibody, SLE, antihistone antibody, drug-induced lupus erythematosus, subepithelial humps, post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis, succinylcholine, malignant hypertension, anaplastic large cell lymphoma, T2-5, Burkitt's lymphoma, T8-14, follicular lymphoma, T14-18, acute myelogenous leukemia, T15-17, tartrate resistant acid phosphatase trap positive cells, hairy cell leukemia, diabetic plus hyperpigmentation plus cirrhosis plus restrictive cardiomyopathy, hereditary hemochromatosis, diagnosis by transferrin saturation, Budd-Chiari syndrome cause polycythemia vera, Council-Mann bodies, irreversible hepatocyte damage, acute viral hepatitis, hepatic encephalopathy, symmetric high voltage triphasic slow wave on electrocardiograph, pentoxifylline, reduced mortality from renal failure in alcoholic hepatitis, SgO2, AST ALT more than 2, alcoholism, acute infection of hepatitis B, IgM antibody of HPCAG, Bilirubin absent in urine, not filtered, unconjugated bilirubin, lipophilic, conjugated hyperbilirubinemia, DJS, Dubin-Johnson syndrome, direct bilirubin more than 50% of total bilirubin plus ALP more than 6 times, obstetric jaundice.